The history of Susin Francescutti is entwined with the evolution of the automobile industry in Brazil and the world. After all, crankshafts and camshafts are the very hearts of the machines that give life to vehicles and equipment, generating jobs and opportunities and driving the economy.
In 1954, as a result of the vision and dream of a handful of entrepreneurs, Mecânica São Luís, part of Susin Francescutti Companhia, was established in a small workshop measuring just 80 square meters. In 1957, already operating under the name Susin Francescutti Companhia Limitada, the company was chiefly focused on stationary gas and diesel engine repairs. At that stage, spare parts were hard to come by, and so the company began manufacturing valves, pistons, rings, crankshafts, blocks, and cylinder heads. This expertise provided the conditions necessary for the production of 6, 12, and 18 HP engines. With innovation constantly in mind, Susin Francescutti produced a motorized agricultural trailer. Over time, this knowledge transformed into experience and qualification. It was time for boldness, time for pushing the limits, and this resolve, coupled to ideas and investments, led Susin Francescutti to become the company it is today, a global benchmark in the manufacture of crankshafts and camshafts.
Susin Francescutti holds a privileged position among the ranks of crankshaft and camshaft manufacturers and has maintained a clear mission, providing cutting-edge technology for its many renowned customers. Its complete infrastructure allows the company to handle operations in any country, offering crankshafts and camshafts that are accompanied by qualified technical assistance and advice, as well as a guarantee of working with a Brazilian company that has over 55 years market experience. The manufacturing plant handles all the production operations for Susin Francescutti brand products. The modern structure confers even more credibility to the company and offers the peace of mind that goes with having a truly reliable partner. Besides the traditional line of products, Susin Francescutti also offers customized services that cater to the specific needs of each of its customers. Innovation has always been a key factor throughout the history of Susin Francescutti. The technology employed in its industrial park is suited to efficiently supplying the growing demand of the international market. The manufacturing process begins with the registration of the traceability information of parts, which are identified, separated, and shipped according to priority, allowing the company to monitor a lot in each stage of production or shipment to a customer, thanks to its computerized system. Each part is then directed to the initial production process, where once again technology plays its part in the form of high-precision equipment. Transformation of raw materials calls for a detailed process for optimizing and guaranteeing performance. For this reason, each stage is overseen by qualified technicians that operate modern CNC machining centers and state-of-the-art machines. And so as to provide even greater durability and resistance to natural wear, Susin Francescutti crankshafts and camshafts undergo a heat treatment specific to each manufactured part. Crankshafts and camshafts are finished in automatic rectifiers that guarantee the highest quality every time. Susin Francescutti implements processes that ensure excellence in each part produced. These include strict monitoring, inspection program, calibration, and evaluation criteria. In addition to laboratory processes, the company employs detailed inspection procedures for manufactured parts. Once finished, these parts are duly protected in accordance with the requirements for packaging and transport. A focus on quality means that the company constantly invests in improvements. After all, the manufacture of this type of product requires the highest level of responsibility. The company complies with all the national and international quality regulations. Its environmental management and sustainability processes include a range of initiatives aimed at expansion with respect for the environment. Susin Francescutti is an active company. Its administrative structure is ready to cater to the demands of its customers, whatever their location. The company's marketing actions and investments are based on experience, a transparent relationship with associates, and an accurate perception of necessities. Susin Francescutti has garnered valuable expertise throughout its history. The company proudly celebrates the consolidation of its values and business with the dawn of each new day. A company that operates with the support of technological advances, but which is driven by people who put their dedication, knowledge, and, above all, their hearts into their work. Susin Francescutti, crankshafts and camshafts.